Ahoy, Shipmates! You find me at another land-based activity. I'm down at Southsea, here in Portsmouth, where it's a little windy at the moment. Oh, it's better. Very exciting, these hovercrafts, but they certainly do create a draft. Lots of activity down here for the commemorations of the 80th anniversary of D-Day. Portsmouth is a very busy port with commercial ships, ferries, and of course lots of naval ships, which you don't get much of in our port of Southampton, and of course hovercrafts, the only passenger hovercraft service in the world. It's not often you see a warning sign like this on the beach: hovercraft launch area. Lots of monuments along here to naval battles and the forces. This is the Trafalgar Monument. The police are out in force today. 2 legs, boats, and of course 4 legs. There's a police boat. That's a black one. I'm not sure what the difference between the black one is and the white one. You'll see the white one later. The black one looks, well, it just looks like the SAS or something. You don't want to see that when you're out in the water. I feel like you're going to be boarded for some sort of drug use. There's another black boat, and that is the ferry to Fishbourne. There's a massive area in the centre of the common that's all hoarded off with big screen, with documentaries, interviews with soldiers, and the King and Queen are here as well. I did spot a drone, though, but I have a suspicion again that is the police out in a different guise, as there are lots and lots of flight restrictions in the area. I did think about bringing my drone, but yeah, it's no way possible. There is another police boat, and that is a lifeboat in the background, and the very, very background is Ocean Scene. You see her a lot in the port of Southampton. I'm going to put £5 on the one on the right to win. This is the Portsmouth Naval Monument on the seafront here in Southsea. Very tall and prominent. In fact, when you're coming in to Portsmouth by boat, we often use that as a transit marker. Up there you go, see there's a white police boat and a black one. I think the white one's possibly air conditioning, which would be quite useful today. It's quite hot. Here we have the HMS St Albans. She'll be giving us a 6-gun salute shortly. It's launched in 2002. Powered by 2 GEC electric motors. Top speed in excess of 28 knots, 52 kilometres an hour or 32 miles per hour in the King's units. No information on crew on board. As you can see, they're all out today, standing to attention. Armoured with various different munitions. We've got Stingray torpedoes, depth charges, general purpose machine guns, Wildcats, Sea Venoms, Stingrays, a BAE 4.5-inch Mark 8 naval gun. I believe that's at the front. It's not often you see naval ships quite so close to the beach here. They normally take a different route. Oh, it's really good to get a close-up view here. She also has an enclosed hangar. That's what that big rectangle is towards the stern.
There we go.
And coming in from the Isle of Wight, taking off from Bournemouth Airport, is the Red Arrows.